When you think about fully experiencing a different culture, what are some of the things that comes to your mind? Well, food, history, culture, and scenery are probably some of the most popular ones that pop up first. But what about music and dance? One traveler by the name of Mickela Mallozzi is learning about every nation, one dance at a time. Mickela Mallozzi was recently on the island to soak in everything Aruba has to offer, especially when it comes to song and dance. We had the chance to speak to Mickela over Skype, and she explains a bit about the project.
My goal with Bare Feet is to experience the world one dance at a time. So what I want to do is go to every country, every place, every region, and have a taste of every part of the culture through music and dance. I feel like dance and music is a very strong and intimate part of one's culture that's a lot of times overlooked by other people. People travel, they try the food, they see the artwork, they see the beautiful landscapes, but a lot of times actually interacting with people and immersing yourself in the culture through its dance and music, a lot of people don't try that, and it's a very intimate act.
New experiences can be found everywhere. Friends can be made in different ways. Exploring both aspects with the art of dance works in a very unique manner.
And you really get to know people so much better and a lot quicker, especially if you don't know the language. Dance is a universal language, so it's a really great way to get to know people without having to speak with them if you can't speak with them.
Through Mickela's dance experience in Aruba, she can detect that the people of the island are extremely tolerant with all the cultures that live here.
Through its dances, everyone just was happy. When I was dancing, I was happy. The people I was dancing with were happy. And I don't know, there's this vibe about Aruba that has this wonderful positive energy. And I felt that the way that the people had incorporated all these types of musical influences, all these types of dance influences, like the waltz, like the mazurka, like tambu, tumba, everything together, you see how it's all accepting, all encompassing. And that's really what makes someplace very happy. You know, it's not segregated, it's not opposing anything. Everyone in Aruba takes a piece of every culture that has influenced that island and embraces it and creates its own sort of culture.
Mickela's project is actually very interesting. You can check out travelbarefeet.com for all the details and information. She's working on a vlogging project right now with a V with the Marriott, where the winner of the video gets to come back to Aruba. She is hoping to celebrate Carnival 60 with us. So if you go on the website and you like the video, make sure to vote for her.